Hey everyone, we're going to talk about SB3 Maintain, which is a quick detailer. It is ceramic based detailer, and it's great for already ceramic coated vehicles. Now almost everybody has a ceramic coated vehicle, and it doesn't matter if your vehicle was coated with SB3 or another coating. Maintain will work no matter what. So it's a great quick detailer that you can purchase for any aftercare for a ceramic coated vehicle, and it has its own hydrophobic properties, and it lasts about 2 or 3 months, typically 3. And so if you got this and you applied it every 3 months, you would be good to go. It just enhanced that shine and hydrophobic properties, and I'm going to show you how to install it. It's pretty easy. So it comes in this bottle. This is a 16-ounce bottle. We have a little test hood here that we use for a lot of things. On the right we have the right side is clear bra, and the left side is just base paint with nothing covering it. So we're gonna apply it. It's real nice and easy. You can spray it directly onto the surface. You can either make it, more of a mister like this is, which I prefer, or you can turn it to the left counterclockwise, and it will spray out in a stream. So we just mist a little bit onto the surface, and then we're going to wipe it off right away. No waiting. Just a note while I'm doing this, it actually smells really good. It almost smells like that new car scent, car freshener, which is my favorite. So when you work with enough chemicals in the detailing industry, you start to really appreciate what smells and what doesn't. So this is a good smelling chemical. So it's nice and coated. We're just drying off buffing off the rest. And you do that for your whole vehicle. Just once the vehicle, you want to make sure the vehicle is completely clean and dry, and then use it. So this isn't going to be a drying aid or anything. You're going to use this once the vehicle is already clean. All right, so you see how easy SB3 Maintain is to apply and wipe off. And we have it in the 16-ounce bottle. A little bit goes a long way. You can mist this onto your vehicle, and I bet you could probably do this on your vehicle in 15 minutes or less for the entire vehicle. And just make sure it's clean and dry before you start. So SB3 Maintain, 3 months of protection. Any ceramic coating. It doesn't have to be SB3. You can use this to maintain any of your ceramic coating out there.